Upside down. Achoo. You want to do upside down again? 1, 2, 3. Achoo.
That's so
You want to bow? Good girl. You want to try it again? 1, 2, 3. Bow. Good girl. You was super chicken. Well, Miss Harriet was born in Dallas, Texas, and she was rescued from a situation where her owner wasn't taking very good care of her, wasn't giving her the love that she needed. So she was rescued by a wonderful woman that then donated her here to the center. And Miss Harriet has been with us for over 19 years. She loves all the attention.
wow. Thank you.
Super chicken! Come here, super chicken! You're so fabulous. You are so fabulous. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Here, you want to step up? Super chicken! Doo-doo-doo. Yay! Good girl.
And bow.
Yeah. And bow.
Harriet is a therapy animal in our PET, Pet Encounter Therapy, and she is the only bird that's in the Animal Hall of Fame. So, Miss Robin, can you tell us the most unique story about Harriet?
Well, Harriet has done a lot of very special things for a lot of really great people, but there was this one time where this woman had had a stroke, and she hadn't talked in about 6 months, and the first words she said were to Miss Harriet, which were beautiful. And those were the first words she said after 6 months because Miss Harriet reached her heart.